The Wildcats were set to take on the Southern Tornadoes in a matchup that many predicted to be an easy win for the Wildcats, but the Tornadoes had other plans. Coach Cunningham talks about the tough performance from the Tornadoes.
You know, they've definitely improved since the first time we've met with them in the beginning of the season. You expect that in the TVC. If you're not growing, something wrong within the program. And Coach Caldwell runs a pretty tight ship down at Southern. We definitely expected them to improve.
First quarter started off with both teams coming out ready to play and playing great defense, but both teams struggled to transition the ball from the defensive side of the court to the offensive side. Coach Cunningham talks about what needs work.
But we still got some work to do on figuring out finding our man and getting ball stopped a little bit sooner to stop some of the penetration.
Jarrett Armstrong in the first half was as confident as ever, and he was trying to start getting hot from the three-point line. However, Southern's defense would often lead the Wildcats to have to get a loose ball or rebound, and Jarrett was struggling to get a good pass. Jarrett talked after the game on what he does personally to shoot the perfect three-pointer.
You have to get your feet set. You have to come off the screen hard, just knock them down.
Another player that really stepped up for the Wildcats this game was Gavin Brooker. He shot 9 of 10 from the field and was a huge factor for that Wildcat offense this game.
Shots were falling tonight, and I guess I was just hot tonight.
Wildcats came out adjusted to the Southern defense in the second half, and they had some really fluid offense, and Jarrett was finally getting the good passes he needed to be able to use his talent from beyond the arc. And on the rare occasion that Jarrett missed the three-pointer in the second half, Chip Adams was always right there to grab the rebound and shoot a layup or pass it back out to the guards. Though the Tornadoes put up an amazing effort against the Wildcats, Waterford found themselves winning 55-35 due to the great rebounding by Chip Adams and the great offense by Gavin Brooker and Jarrett Armstrong. And reminding you to stay heroic, I'm Sully Beach.